Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, me and my BFF slash almost sister, Kaylee, we're going to be taking the air out of her pink dumpling and maybe one of mine. But as you can see here, we've got a needle and we've got the dumpling. So
well, it's actually an earring,
yeah, it's an earring, but
tomato potato. My hands are like so shaky.
So I'm gonna stick it right where the air is. Let me try to get it in there. It takes a couple tries, guys, because because maybe you guys have taken the air out of some of your squishies. Oh, I got the hole, but maybe some of you.
Can I just take it out? There we go.
Okay, and as you can see, a little bit of shaving cream comes out at first, but don't get worried if that happens because it always does that. It just does that because.
By the way, we have like a pad right here for my dog, but by the way, it's not used.
It's
clean,
and it is not her carpet. Guys, we would never do it on her carpet. Okay, guys, are you ready to see?
See? Like, it will lose its shape, okay?
Yeah, it will lose its shape. That's a bit of a warning, but if you want your squishy to feel good, it's the best thing to do. Feel that.
Yeah, it feels so much better.
I'm going to see if I can find another squishy we can do it with. Okay, guys, we're back. We are going to be doing this square squishy, and look at the squish.
It's like a purplish, pinkish. Mainly purple.
It feels like those smushers. My friend has a smusher.
Yeah.
Okay, you see the air?
Yes.
Okay, we're doing it, guys.
3, 2, 1.
Is it in?
Yes, it's in.
Oh no.
They're gonna wiggle it a little. Okay, it just came out. There's a little hole right there.
But I don't think it's on the air. It's on the liquid.
Oh, it's on the liquid, yeah. I need it right here then.
Okay, guys. Wait, our first time surgeons, we just started taking the air out of squishies yesterday.
Yeah, so.
It takes a couple tries, and we're very sorry about that. But if you're planning to take the air out of your squishies, please watch a tutorial first, because that's what I did. And
I didn't watch it, but she told me how to do it.
I told her how to do it from the tutorial. So, yeah, if you're planning
I don't want to go in. I need to lie a little bit right here.
If you're planning to take the air out of your squishies, please watch a tutorial first. I don't want any of y'all's squishies to be popping, because one of mine did.
Yeah. It was on video call. Well, anyways, there it goes.
Okay, so now we're going to wipe all the excess.
By the way, let's pretend that, like, this is a squishy right here. This is butter. Like, or, like, let's say it was, like, a squishy that you could do it. Like, it's not, but if it was, like,
see that?
Don't go, like, boom, boom. Don't poke it and take it out. Poke it and hold it.
Okay, I'm wiping it off.
Ta-da!
And it's good. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye.